What's up, y'all? So, me and Grandma cooking. So yeah, cooking up some chicken. I don't want to get popped, so back up a little. Yeah, cooking up some chicken, and then we got some tacos. Taco Thursday up in here. Right? Taco Thursday up in here. And then, yeah, so, and the chicken's oiling. So, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we could stop it and do another.
Alright, y'all, so I'm about to put the tacos on here. I'm about to wipe this off first, though. Because why not? It's clean. Some clean girls up in her. Woman, girl. Some clean woman and girl up in her. Right? That's the rest. I'm gonna get this spotless clean. Okay. This is what's going on so far. Pretty good. Alright. Okay. I need to just dry it. Just dry it, man. That's how you do that.
These are all cracked up. I think I got some more.
Got more? Alright, now we're about to spotly lay these out. Like that. I want to make sure y'all really see this. Oh. I want to make sure y'all really see this part. Ooh. Spot.
What happened? They got kicked out? Oh, she got kicked out?
Ooh.
I'm about to see what's going on
She
here.
probably did. Well, she did.
Find the house. I'm about to go back.
Yeah, go back, because I didn't hear that part. We're looking neat so far. Looking neat. Like always. It's clean. Looking neat. Alright.
It's still something that's like my mission is not but that's how we do house searching and stuff like that. It just be real. It be real hurtful and I'm let down and stuff my personal my personal things. You get what I'm saying? Like a lot of people just think.
Oh. Alright, now I'm going to throw some trash.
And we actually got like,
Okay.
my sister got her house, you know what I'm saying?
Yep.
She just been in the house.
So, I'll just,
But we keep our things together. We might, and then we own now.
just got it kneaded up.
I don't know, like a lot of people just think.
So I'll be right back when I find it to the
We are two
thing.
different social media